In the heart of Dongdaemun, Seoul, there's a famous alley called 닭한마리 Alley, known for its numerous 닭한마리 whole chicken soup restaurants. This dish is particularly popular among Japanese tourists, even more so than with locals. The restaurants are located just a short walk from Dongdaemun Station, exit 9 on line 4. Making it super easy to find. Simply head straight down the main road, and you'll spot the alley. Packed with hungry locals and tourists alike. Each restaurant in this alley offers its own twist on the classic 닭한마리, with subtle differences in flavor and sauces. So, there's a fun element of trying different places to find your favorite. The basic concept is the same. The dish is served in a steaming pot of clear, flavorful broth with a whole chicken inside. As the chicken cooks, you pull it apart piece by piece, enjoying the tender meat dipped into the restaurant's signature sauces, which can be tangy, spicy, or a bit sweet, depending on where you go. To eat 닭한마리 like a pro, start by letting the chicken simmer in the broth until it becomes tender. The chicken is served whole, so you can cut it into pieces using the provided scissors. Make sure to try dipping each part like the leg, thigh, or wing into the special sauces. Add garlic, chili paste, and mustard to your liking for an extra kick. Towards the end of the meal, many people add noodles or rice cakes into the remaining broth to soak up all that delicious flavor. It's a comforting, hearty dish that warms you up from the inside out. The flavors are simple yet rich. The broth has a delicate, clean taste that enhances the natural flavor of the chicken, while the dipping sauces add a perfect balance of spice and tang. Whether you prefer a milder broth or one with a bit more punch, you'll find a version of 닭한마리 that suits your taste. Don't be afraid to experiment and try a few different spots. You may just find your new favorite meal in Seoul.